This idea of an asteroid destroying Earth has been fascinating and scaring humankind for centuries. The discussion on whether an asteroid could strike Earth in 2038 has been fueled by media speculation and science fiction. However, what does science really say about the likelihood of such an event, and how prepared are we to face it if it does happen? Understanding asteroids and their threats. Asteroids, as remnants of the early solar system, vary from a few meters to hundreds of kilometers in diameter. Most asteroids are confined to harmlessly orbiting the Sun within the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Some asteroids, called near-Earth objects, NEOs, are in orbits that bring them close enough to our planet. The danger of an asteroid impact lies in its immense energy. Depending on its size, speed, and angle of entry, an asteroid collision could cause local devastation or global catastrophe. The asteroid that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago was about 10 kilometers wide, releasing energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs upon impact. The 2038 asteroid speculation concern that there will be a 2038 asteroid impact seems to be fueled by the media hype coupled with scientific observations. Astronomers constantly monitor NEOs to ascertain the risks it poses to Earth. Sometimes new objects are found that seemingly have a remote chance of hitting our planet at some point in the future. These predictions rely on limited data and are updated upon further observations. One of the asteroids that attracted attention was 2002 NT7, which was briefly listed in 2002 with a small probability of impact on Earth on February 1, 2019. Further observations later put out the threat from 2002 NT7. It no longer poses any threat. Other asteroids with potential future dates have been identified, but no credible evidence currently exists to support the claim that any particular asteroid will hit the Earth in 2038. How scientists rate the danger. To predict asteroid impacts, scientists use a system called the Torino scale, which measures the likelihood and potential consequences of an asteroid collision. The scale ranges from 0, no risk, to 10, certain global catastrophe. Currently, no known asteroid ranks above 1, meaning that no significant risk is identified. NASA and the European Space Agency dedicate certain programs, monitor and track NEOs with incredible precision. Their Planetary Defense Coordination Office at NASA provides both monitoring and tracking, allowing researchers and astronomers to map out the trajectories of these objects and determine their paths years in advance, using quite sophisticated telescopes and radar systems. Can we stop an asteroid? If an asteroid threatening the Earth were to be found, human beings have a choice to counteract the risk. There are attempts to build technologies that could either deflect or destroy dangerous asteroids. Kinetic impact. This is sending a spacecraft to impact an asteroid and change its trajectory. NASA has recently shown the success of this technique with the DART mission, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, by deflecting the asteroid Dimorphos in 2022. Gravity tractor. A spacecraft could hover near an asteroid, using its gravitational pull to gradually change the asteroid's course over time. Nuclear explosives. As a last resort, nuclear devices could be detonated near an asteroid to either break it apart or nudge it off its collision course. These methods take years of preparation, and early detection is the key. Fortunately, with the current tracking systems, we are unlikely to be caught off guard by a large asteroid. The chances of an impact in 2038. Statistically, the possibility of a massive asteroid hitting Earth in any single year is quite low. NASA claims that an asteroid of 1 kilometer in diameter or more hits Earth approximately once every 500,000 to 1 million years. Smaller asteroids that could impact a region have a higher likelihood of hitting, but most will burn up within Earth's atmosphere or land in uninhabited areas. Until today, no known asteroid threatens Earth in 2038 or any specific year in the near future. Astronomers keep discovering and tracking new objects. Therefore, an emerging threat, if it happened, would be detected long before it occurred. What if it did happen? While the likelihood is slight, the implications of an asteroid impact must be weighed. If the asteroid is sufficiently large, damage may be limited to a region or it may disrupt global climates. The amount of dust and debris sent into the atmosphere can block sunlight, creating what's called an impact winter. This can ruin agriculture and ecosystems, bringing on widespread famine. To reduce the threat, the strategy by governments and space agencies is investing in planetary defense and international cooperation. Together, we are more prepared than ever if this is ever to happen. Conclusion. There is no scientific evidence to support the fear of an asteroid destroying Earth in 2038. Although the idea is a popular subject for speculation and entertainment, astronomers and space agencies remain vigilant in tracking and assessing the risks posed by NEOs. Advances in technology and planetary defense give humanity the tools to prevent a catastrophic impact, making it unlikely that we will face the same fate as the dinosaurs. We should not waste our time thinking about the hypothetical doomsday scenarios, but support scientific research and preparedness instead. We can then continue to find our way into the cosmos with confidence, knowing that we are equipped to protect this planet from the rare but real threat of asteroid impacts.